Lord, heal the wounds no one else can see. Calm my anxious thoughts and mend the broken pieces of my heart. Even if healing takes time, I trust you, Lord. Your timing is perfect, and your grace is enough. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Amen.
In you I have my breath. In you I have my being. When I was far away, you called my name.
Father, move me with compassion. Open my eyes to the hurting, my hands to the helpless, my heart to the lost. Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Father, give peace to every restless heart.
My heart was seen and claimed by your great love. Author, finisher, you're the